Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hello, I'm your host, Mrs. M. And if you haven't, make sure you click the link below. That way you can subscribe to my channel and not miss out on anything you need to scale your cleaning business to six figures and beyond. How? So in this video, I'm going to talk about 3 things that you absolutely can look forward to when it comes to finding large corporations. How do you get in the door with getting cleaning contracts for these large corporations? So if you've ever wondered how do you actually get, let's say, FedEx or some other national corporation who has a lot of contracts and you would like to actually start the contracts in your area, then make sure you stay tuned in this video where I'm going to go over that in just 1 minute. Okay, 1 minute. So let's first start with FedEx. I actually had a contract with FedEx. It was fantastic. And I loved it because it wasn't a hard clean. The drivers would come in, they get out, so it wasn't bad. Now, what are you going to need? You may need a larger team, or you can hire subcontractors because they may want you to do all the FedEx corporate offices or FedEx, like the annex that are in your local area. So that's the first thing. Number 2, you're going to need normally a safety program of some sort. You can put together a safety program where you do videos, you have your employees sign it. That could be pretty simple. Now, where do you want to go if you want to look for getting started? You want to actually go to their suppliers.sourcing.fedex.com. That's suppliers.sourcing.fedex.com. That's where you want to go to actually get started. You're going to fill out this little vendor list or vendor information form, and voila, you will be on your way. Now, let's say you want to start cleaning banks. I get a lot of people that ask me, how do you start cleaning banks? Well, we cleaned a couple of banks, Banks of America, Bank of America's, and a couple of other ones. Let's look at what you need for cleaning banks. Well, first thing you're going to have to remember that banks are small. So you're going to team up, or you're going to make sure that you understand it's probably going to take your employees maybe an hour or so at best, an hour and 30 minutes to clean. So they're probably going to do team cleaning. That's when they gang up together, go to one bank, another and another in the area. Normally, you're going to do more than just one. Also remember that transportation is going to be an issue. You're going to have to go from one bank to another bank to another bank to another bank. So that's why you want to probably team up, have all your workers come to like one location, your office, get in a van, and then take them where they need to go so that way you're saving on gas. Now, what do you need to do is first get in the contract. Most of the large banks are, the prime contractor is normally a very large company. So if your company is small but you want to get started, no worries, you can still look at doing it as a subcontractor. So you just simply want to reach out to the bank manager or the property manager of that location. Let's say if it's in a mall development or something, let them know you're interested. They will then in turn normally give you the actual number of the prime, and you can call directly to start talking to the prime contractor about subbing. Almost all of those contracts with the banks are owned by large cleaning companies that give you a piece by doing subcontracting. And this you are going to look at not making as much because you're going to come in as a subcontractor, but still your foot's in the door. And there may be smaller local contracts that are locally that may not be national, but we're talking about national scale here. For those of you that are looking to expand and scale your business where you're doing not only local, but regional and national contracts. And you may even get to being international, right? Now, the third thing I'm going to talk about is if you wanted to actually clean foreclosed properties. Let's say you want to clean a foreclosed property. Where should you go? What should you do? Well, if you're looking to do foreclosures, the first thing you want to do is Google foreclosed properties in your area. So it should give you a list of foreclosed properties in a certain area and should be at no cost. Then you want to reach out to the real estate agent because it normally will list the real estate agent that is handling the foreclosed property. You want to reach out to that real estate agent, let them know you're interested in cleaning foreclosed properties, and voila, if they have a need for you and you market your business well, they will be more than happy to say, come on out and get started. So if you have any other questions on what you want to do, guess what? You can reach out to us at 407-986-8228, or I'd love to see you at our upcoming event, our free masterclass, where I go over all things possible with actually acquiring your customers, how to attract them and how to retain them. So you're not doing the feast and famine One day you have customers and one day you don't. Why is that? Because you do not have business systems in place. Absolutely. Once you have business systems in place, you will be able to put your business on automation and just kind of make it easy breezy. So if you're interested in that, then make sure you click the register in the description. I'd love to see you there. And until next time, I'll see you soon, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.